Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to create your account on Raket.ph. So the very first thing that you should do is you have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to type out Raket.ph. And then just wait for a couple of seconds and you'd be able to see this website. So now you can click on the login or join button at the top right, or this one, the become a Racketer. So we can click on this one and then would be directed to this section. Now you just have to simply click on the get started option. That's right. And then just wait for a couple of seconds so you can sign up with Google or with your email or with your LinkedIn account. So I'm just going to sign up with my Google account. Then after selecting your Google account, just click on continue. And then you'd be able to create your account on Raket.ph. Now, when we clicked on our profile picture at the top right of our screen, you'd be able to see here now our Racketer dashboard. Okay, so you just have to click on this one. And then here, this is your dashboard. So you can add your service products. You can track your order right here. This is your wallet section, your deliveries, and more. So for this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your service. So you just simply click on this My Racketer option. That's right. And then just wait for a couple of seconds and you'll be able to see here your about info. So this is your link name right here. And then this is your profile photo. So if you want to change it, just simply click on the change photo and you'll be directed to your folder. Now this is your first name, so if you want to change your first name, just go here, and this is your last name as well. Now this one is the about you section. So you just have to describe yourself and what kind of service you are offering to your customers. Okay, so you just have to describe what kind of skills do you have, and here just have to upload your cover photos. Okay, so you can also use this stock photos right here or simply click on this section so you can upload your own photo from your computer. Okay, and then in this section, you just have to select your country, you just have to type out your region, your city, and then of course your headline. So my headline is your digital frontliner. So you just have to type out your headline right there. Now for your services, so you can add your very first service right here. So you simply click on the button. So you have programming and technology, you have digital marketing, writing and translation, business, graphics and design. So you can click on any of this, or you can also start from scratch. So I'm just going to simply click on the start from scratch option. And right here, you just have to add the name of your service, and then the description of your service, and then the featured photos. So make sure that the photos that you are going to use are all related to what is your service is all about. Okay, so here for the pricing type, I'm just going to select here fixed price and then the price of your service. Okay, and then for the delivery time, you just have to select your delivery time, and then for the category, I'm going to select graphic and design, and then after that, just simply click on the add extra if you want to add extra on your category. Okay, and then after that, just save and continue. Now if you would like to add a product, so just go to the product section, and then here you can add your first product as well as your socials. So here you can link your Facebook account, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and more. And for the design section, here you can choose the theme that best describes you. To make sure to select the correct theme, just have to explore each theme right here before you use it. Then after that, you can now share your link to your social media account so that your friends will know that you are also a Racketer. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.